Hi, today we have talking about the topic geo cheating or not for customers. Yes, geo is cheating because these recent days customers face for facing for data problems because so many persons have using for daily data for 1.5 GB or 2 GB data is using, but without any usage data is so fastly existed. Before few months back, your it's daily usage data is 1.5 GB is 2 GB data is it's enough for all of us. Instagram user, you use Instagram and any other apps and YouTube. That's all of use for daily data is daily data is used for enough, but it's that that data is the long time to use for her you use for long time. But now in recent time now but now today is you used only 1 hour for our Instagram use or still or other apps like YouTube or other social media apps, but like social media apps or social movies or no or without any usage, keep it and turn on your mobile at night and keep it mobile is or just keep it night and check again 1 hour 2 hour, but without any usage data is so fastly exhausted. But what is the reason? So don't know, but Jio is cheating for customers because Jio will exist. Jio will for new plannings for help new plannings for customers because the one day one the daily data is exhausted, the plan is exhausted, the data is full finished. After our customers will again for recharge. So how recharge for an in MyG app will create for 1 GB data for daily usage in up to for one for five up to for 5 GB data at is he will give for our loan credit loan on, but after her pay after her he will pay the after will you will pay that again he will give credit. So that is cheating for customers because the daily data is so fastly exhausted that so and again customers will recharge and we will also pay for money. That's a new trick to the so the that trick to that's new trick to so fast like I said that, and that's the reason for our new planning new offer is new plan is execute for that plan is used for customers to pay for more money to for data daily data is so fastly exhausted. So there's guys so many of problems, so many of persons we have facing these problems because somehow doing work and online so this persons how the persons how much data is one and so is how much how many times he repeatedly recharge. That's a problem, that's a problem arising. So many persons this is answer for are request report for another CM. So one in so many persons complaining for in sharing complaining and sharing opinions in a Quora website night. And one person in Kolkata, he will go, he will go for another place in flight night in another place for Howrah place is going, but the person is in flight going while his mobile is he always keep it off for data, but only for the he checking for WhatsApp, but only that time for only it turned on because on the you only for open for WhatsApp app only, and in flight, so he don't so he not use phone, and again 3 hours that place is come how he will get reached, and again he will check for that entire data 1.5 GB data is so fastly exhausted. So you will check again, go to settings and the data is connection setting and data usage, that the other is show you and only for using for data, only for using apps for app using for data or WhatsApp only, but WhatsApp how could you 1.5 GB is using? That's a pro the same that is how they enter. So that person is request applying to another CM, but that is not that request not is approved. He give that request apply approved for time to take in for 2 weeks. 2 weeks is in SMS replying for in Geo telecommunication. So that's a problem, guys. So many I also face for these problems, and so many of persons facing these problems in complaining for in our opinions mentioned for in core website. You also go see it, and you also face for so many, you also are facing this problem, because you also once you what is your data is usage data and daily usage, and go through your data usage settings in C, the option connection setting and data usage option. See at there is using accessing only data, but not showing notification, showing notification, or go in check in my Geo app, that is showing more, that is showing in the, that is showing usage data to that usage data to compare. This is requiring more data, so without any usage data is requiring. So what is use, there is no use. Why will pay, why will pay for it? So why will pay paper money? So that's a problem, guys. That is cheating for customers. So you also you also face this problem. Do in comment, and what about thinking for our Geo telecommunications? This is cheating or no? My opinion is cheating. Your opinion is what in comment too. Thank you for watching.